Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Emma and thank you for joining me for this slow, relaxing flow. So today we're just going to be decluttering the mind, taking you away from those racing thoughts, and again taking that moment or taking that time out of your day to slow down and appreciate what's around you. So we're going to begin in child's pose. If you can, reach that forehead towards the mat. And begin to notice your surroundings. Notice what you can feel, notice what you can hear. And breathe as deep as you can in this position. As you're breathing here, maybe notice the sensations of your inhales and your exhales. Notice how the chest expands outwards as you inhale and contracts inwards as you exhale. And any other accompanying feelings. Good. Next inhale, come up forwards into that tabletop, walk the hands out, and exhale, sink that chest to the mat. Keep the hips up and hips over the knees for puppy pose. Breathe here, just let that chest rest down towards the mat. Trying to open those shoulders. Let yourself sink into these stretches today. Good, one more breath. And then come on back up into tabletop. Wrap the left arm underneath the right. And you can either raise the right arm up, keep it on the side for balance, or try and place it behind or on the side of the left hip. Find that gentle stretch across that left arm. Good, come back out. Sink back down into puppy pose. Breathe here. And then wrap the right arm underneath the left, keeping the left where it is. Then raise the left arm up and wrap it around on the outside of the right hip. Gently twisting and stretching the right arm and the thoracic spine here. Breathe in these positions today. Really reconnect with the breath in every single one. Good. Come back out and return to that puppy pose. See if you can go a little bit deeper. Then inhale back to tabletop and exhale to downward dog. So be kind to yourself today. Keep a nice bend in the knees. You don't have to worry about sinking those heels to the mat. Sometimes, or a lot of times, that doesn't feel good for people. Next inhale, we're going to slowly make our way between the hands. Inhale to a halfway lift. Keep that bend in the knees. And then exhale to fold a little bit deeper. Try and keep length in the back, and if that's only possible in your halfway lift, then remain there. Find that alignment, take a deep breath in. Exhale, and then on your next inhale, slowly roll all the way up to mountain. Connect the palms overhead, and exhale, bring them down through the middle towards the chest. Inhale, reach back up. And interlace the fingers, flip the palms, and just try and bend over towards the left here. Inhale back up to the middle. Connect the palms, sweep the arms out, adding a few arm circles here. Inhaling to reach up and exhaling to bring the palms through the middle. Warm those shoulders up. Good. Interlace the fingers again at the top and try and bend over towards the right. Come back to the middle, release the hands, and hold for breath. Inhale to reach up and exhale to fold it back down to our forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back and then lower down to chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. And exhale to downward dog. Breathe here, reconnect with that breath, with that feeling of inhaling and exhaling. One more deep inhale here. And then exhale, slowly walk to the top of your mat. Inhale to a halfway lift and exhale to fold. On this next inhale, we're going to come up into chair pose. Sink the hips back. Then exhale, bring those palms together, twist towards the right. Hook the left elbow on the outside of that right leg. Inhale back to the middle. Exhale to fold. Inhale to round up to mountain, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands to the chest. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, either walk or hop it back to plank or chaturanga. Lower down, inhale to upward dog or cobra. Exhale to downward dog. Again, breathe here. Next, inhale, walk up between the hands. Come into that halfway lift. Exhale to fold. And inhale back to chair pose. Other side now. Connect the palms, twist towards the left. Right elbow hooks on the outside of the left leg. Inhale back to the middle and exhale, fold. Inhale, round all the way up to mountain. Exhale, hands to the chest. Take a deep, refreshing breath here in mountain pose. Exhale it out fully. And then inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And either walk or hop it back to your plank. Lower down. And inhale for cobra. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift again. Use those back muscles round from the thoracic spine or the upper back first. Exhale to lower. Zip those legs together. And inhale, lift one last time. Exhale, press those hips up and back for downward dog. Feel free to find a pedal here or maybe a pulse in the legs, sinking the heels towards the mat and then lifting them up. On the next inhale, we're going to raise the right leg up for three-legged dog. Exhale, round it forward, step it between the hands. Get your base and your foundation. Take a breath. Then inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Bring the hands down towards the chest. Inhale, reach back up. Keep the fingertips connected but split the palms. Exhale, slowly reconnect the palms, bring the hands to the chest. Inhale, reach back up, split the palms. Exhale, bring those hands to the chest. Inhale, reach up, try and add a back bend. Exhale, hands back to the middle. And inhale, this time reach the arms to the back, claw the hands open. Lift the chest. Exhale, palms together. Hook that left elbow on the outside of the right leg. If this is too much from you, you can take a look at the modification with the left hand on the mat, right arm reaching up. Hold for breath. Good. Inhale, reach the arms forward, and exhale, place them on the mat. From here, either enter straight into that lizard pose, which I will show you in a modification window, or pivot on the outsides of the feet and come into revolved skandasana. Breathe in whichever pose you've chosen. Inhale back to the middle, and exhale, extend the right leg back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog or cobra, and exhale, downward dog. Good, take a breath here. Next, inhale, reach that left leg up, three-legged dog. Exhale, round through the spine, step it between the hands. Good, take a breath here. Get that base and foundation. And then inhale to rise up to your high lunge. Connect the palms, bring them down through the middle. Then inhale, reach up, split the palms, keep the fingertips connected. Exhale, reconnect the palms, hands to the chest. Inhale, reach up. Maybe continually add a little bit more of a back bend. Keep it going. Bring those hands back to the chest, and this time inhale, open the arms to the side, lift the chest. Exhale, connect the palms, hook the right elbow on the outside of the left knee, and inhale to twist and lift the chest. Again, if this is too much, place that right hand on the mat and just lift the left arm up for a revolved lunge. Breathe and focus here as you hold. Good, bring it back to the middle, hold that balance. Exhale, place the hands on the mat and either come into lizard pose or turn into that revolved skandasana, coming on to the outsides of the feet. Breathe, enjoy whichever hip opener you chose. Then inhale, pivot back towards the front of your mat. Step the left leg back, lower it down to chaturanga. Inhale to upward dog or cobra, and exhale to downward dog. Good job. Breathe deep here. Just let that chest release towards the mat. On that next inhale, slowly walk between the hands. And exhale, take a seat on the mat. So connect the soles of the feet, open the legs to the sides for a bound angle pose, trying to find length in that back. Feel free to close the eyes for the last few poses here. And then if you feel comfortable, bring the arms underneath the legs, coming into our star pose. If this is too much for you, just hold that bound angle. Just respect your energy level today, or how your body feels. Good, bring it back up and make your way to your back. We're gonna head straight into happy baby pose, so grab onto the outsides of the feet, the ankles or the calves. Try and keep the lower back on the mat and pull the legs towards the chest. release the legs, hug over the shins. Just breathe here on your back. One more deep breath. And then exhale as you rise up to seated. And we'll close off the practice. So inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, bring the palms together. And just thank yourself for taking the time out of your day to relax and de-stress and move intentionally and slowly. Thank you so much for joining me. It means so much to me, and it helps so much if you leave that subscribe or hit the like button. I will see you next time. Thank you again for joining me.